Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install a mod so that you can play with more than 4 players on Lethal Company. And I already did a video on this before, but the new update came out, version 45, the Frosty update, you know, the one with the mask. It's a new mod that we have to use, so if you came from my other video, yeah, this should work, and I just tested it. So you only need 2 downloads this time, and one of them is actually the same as before. So if you watched my other video and had the mod before or tried to download this before, you still need the same Beppin X 5.4.22. This still works. So if you guys watched the previous video, then you don't need to actually download anything new, but you know, yeah. So if you just go to this link in the description, it'll be the first link. If you have a 64-bit machine, which you probably do, and you can check that by going to this PC properties. As you can see, 64-bit operating system type. So if you have 64-bit, then get Beppin X x64 5.2.zip, this one right here. So the only new thing that you need is a new mod. Instead of bigger lobby, it's now called more company. It's by not swipes. Again, as you can see, last updated 19 hours ago as the time of recording this video. So just do a manual download. I haven't messed with the mod manager yet, but for now, just do manual download. It's really easy. So click manual download. Now, once you have those 2 files, they should look like this. They're just on my other screen. So you need, again, Beppin X x64 5.4.22 and not swipes more company 1.71. So once you have those 2 folders, you're good. Now all you gotta do is open up the Lethal Company base game folder. You can do that by going to Lethal Company on the Steam, right click on it on the side here, go to manage and browse local files there. Now it should pop up. Now what you gotta do is first, you need to do this first. It's important. Open up Beppin X first. You don't need to extract it because you can just drag it in. Highlight all 4, Beppin X, changelog, doorstop, and win HTTP, and drag them into the base game. For some reason, it didn't drag into the 3, so make sure you drag all 4 in. Replace files. This shouldn't happen for you. If you do all 4 and drag it, it should just do all 4. So now Beppin X, changelog, doorstop, and win should all be in the Lethal Company base game folder. Alright, so now you have Beppin X installed. You're done with that. The next thing you want to do is open up Beppin X inside Lethal Company, and you should see that it only has core in there. So now what you gotta do is open up the not more company, right? Let me actually do this in a side window so it's easier. Okay, so once you're in the Lethal Company base game and then Beppin X, again, this is the Lethal Company base game. Open up Beppin X here. Now open up the more company thing you downloaded, the zip. Open up Beppin X there, and you should see plugins. What you want to do is drag the plugins from the more company into the Beppin X of the base game. All right, so if that was a bit fast, again, let me show you. So right now I am in Lethal Company. The base game folder is the actual game folder, and you dragged in this Beppin X from before, right? Open up Beppin X. It shouldn't have plugins because you just did that. So imagine this is not here. It should only have core. So what you want to do is to install more company is to open up the more company folder that you downloaded, open up the Beppin X inside the thing that you downloaded, and drag plugins into the Lethal Company Beppin X. So again, so Lethal Company Beppin X should only have core, drag plugins into there, like what I did. Now that's it. You should be all completely done. So try that out and let me know in the comments. To check that if you've successfully done it, again, go to your Lethal Company base game folder, go to inside Beppin X, this plugins folder, the one that we dragged in, open it up, and you should have more company DLL in there. And that's how you know that you are all downloaded. And let me show you guys actually. So I'm gonna launch Lethal Company for you. Now if you go to host, there we go. Now you can see crew size right there. That obviously was not there before. We know it's modded and we know it works. The way I showed it in my previous update video, by the way, when I confused other people, what I did was it essentially does the exact same thing. It just might be a little bit more confusing. That's why I showed you guys this way. Basically what I did was I dragged Beppin X into the base game folder, which essentially does the same thing. If it sees that there's a folder of the same the same name, it'll just automatically put plugins from here into here. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. You know, I'm really glad that this got updated, or well, it's a different mod, so I'm really glad that a new mod came out. Again, Lethal Company is so fun, and I'm glad you can play with more than 4. I think it's way more fun with more than 4 people, in my opinion. So yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and have fun.